Hi there, this is Penny Manus Diefendorf with your Daily Grain.
So enough about communications we shouldn't be having and relationships that we shouldn't be having. How about what we should have? So my ideal communication is the reverse of that. People speaking without talking. We might have the idea that meaningful conversations must involve profound philosophy or the serious things of life, and this is not the case. You could have a meaningful conversation about the most mundane thing. You could have a meaningful conversation about the weather. The difference is when two people talk with absolute understanding, with absolute truth and honesty, and there's a sincerity in their eyes and in their words and in their spirit, then the exchange, no matter what it is, becomes meaningful because two people are in harmony and they understand more about each other than the words that they are speaking. They are understanding each other's soul, they're understanding each other's essence. And this is not restricted to romantic relationships. This covers everything: family relationships, business relationships. When you really relate to somebody, there's that word, relate. That's the word that's left out of a lot of relationships. When you really relate to someone, you don't need words. You don't need particular topics of conversation. Every topic becomes interesting. Every topic has things to learn from, things to be excited about, things to share. And when you have that kind of communication with someone, you know you're on a winning ticket. And you can talk about everything and nothing. In fact, one of my favorite sayings is this: that two people are friends when the silence between them is comfortable. So today, think about all your friendships. Think about whether you've been silent, just sat in silence with anyone, and you will know from that the quality of your associations.